Another Land Rover Defender in stock today. This is a 2026 model year on a 75 registration. New model Defender 90 commercial hardtop. Great specification, fantastic colour, full MASV bespoke styling. This is a D250 X Dynamic SE, finished in premium colour Carpathian Grey Metallic. A lovely dark grey, contrast super with all the gloss black accents on this one. And it's got a really good factory spec with all the best desirable extras. Very rare, the new 26 model year. There's not too many about. They've made some subtle changes, some sections at the front here. Slightly different headlamp design. We've got a larger infotainment screen, new rear lights, a few features like that. So it's got the full MASV bespoke styling. So we've got 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. They're with Yokohama Geolander all-terrain tyres. Extended gloss black wide arches, lower gloss black canards, all the lower grills in gloss black badge, MASV badge, gloss black bonnet vents, upgraded bonnet vents, gloss black bonnet badging. We've also got the quad lights on the top there, the LED pods in black, gloss black wing mirrors, side steps, front and rear classic mud flaps. Being an X Dynamic, we've got the colour-coded side panel on this one, which looks really good. Black roof as well, and that's a factory option on these to get the gloss black roof. It all ties in nicely with the rest of the styling on the vehicle. So we've got a gloss black rear spoiler, gloss black wheel cover, rear bumper in gloss black, exposed towing eyes at the back, the new style smoked 2026 model year LED taillights. This one's got air suspension, which is a great factory option. I'm just going to open the back up here. 90 hardtop, load space in the back, underfloor storage. So we've got air suspension, so you can lower it up and down from the button there. And then also, I'll show you inside, we've got keyless entry on the door. Ambient lighting inside, you see the purple lights. This one's done 340 miles only, which is the delivery mileage to us. And it's got the dark crossbeam, which is this grey around the steering wheel and at the back of the dashboard there. Usually it's a light colour, like a light white silver. It's an option to have it in the dark grey. This one's got it. Really nice spec, new big screen. So that's a slightly larger screen than the previous model year. And this one's got 2 seats, center console with wireless charging pad, air suspension, obviously, as mentioned, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, just a really good spec, everything you need. You've got Meridian audio, memory seats, Carpathian Grey, electric seats with lumbar support, and these are perforated. Great spec. So you get remainder of the 3-year warranty, so late 2028, under manufacturer's warranty. This is VAT qualifying, tax efficient. So if you're in business and you want something nice to use, this is a commercial vehicle, classed as a van. Give me a call if interested, 0777 111 2040. This stunning Defender, we've got some more 90s in stock, we've got some 110s as well. All different colours, different specs. Visit our website, www.ma-sv.co.uk, and thank you for watching.